Greetings and introductions. Good evening. Good evening.
Hi there. Hi there.
I'm your new neighbor. How are you? I'm your new neighbor. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. I'm doing well, thanks.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Maria. My name is Maria.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 29 years old. And you? I'm 29 years old. And you?
I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Morocco. I'm from Morocco.
What do you do? What do you do?
I am a policeman. I am a policeman.
Are you married? Are you married?
Yes, I am married. Yes, I am married.
Do you have any children? Do you have any children?
Yes, I have 2 kids. Yes, I have 2 kids.
How was your day? How was your day?
My day was great, thank you. My day was great, thank you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. Nice to meet you, too.
See you later. See you later.
Daily activities. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I have breakfast. I go to work. I go to work. I take the bus. I take the bus. I start work at 9 a.m. I start work at 9 a.m. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. I take a lunch break. I take a lunch break. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I finish work at 5 p.m. I finish work at 5 p.m. I go to the gym. I go to the gym. I exercise for an hour. I exercise for an hour. I go home. I go home. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I watch TV. I read a book. I read a book. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Where's the nearest supermarket? Where's the nearest supermarket?
It is near the gas station in this street. It is near the gas station in this street.
I need a shopping cart. I need a shopping cart. I need to buy some milk. I need to buy some milk. I need some vegetables. I need some vegetables. I need to buy some clothes. I need to buy some clothes. How much does this cost? How much does this cost?
It costs $30. It costs $30. What size do you wear? What size do you wear?
45. Can I try this on? 45. Can I try this on?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
Is there a discount on this item? Is there a discount on this item?
Yes. Yes.
Where's the fitting room? Where's the fitting room?
There at the corner. There at the corner.
How much is this in total? How much is this in total?
$120. $120.
Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards?
Yes. Yes.
Can I have a receipt, please? Can I have a receipt, please?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
I would like a table for two, please. I would like a table for two, please.
Follow me, please. Follow me, please.
Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please?
Here you go. Here you go.
I would like to order. I would like to order. What are today's specials? What are today's specials?
Chicken, tuna, and fruit salad. Chicken, tuna, and fruit salad.
I will have the chicken, please. I will have the chicken, please. Can I get a glass of water with it? Can I get a glass of water with it?
Yes, I will bring it. Yes, I will bring it.
Is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy?
Yes. Yes.
Can you make it less spicy? Can you make it less spicy?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
I would like a coffee now, please. I would like a coffee now, please. Do you have any vegan options? Do you have any vegan options?
Yes, there are, mister. Yes, there are, mister.
What is the soup of the day? What is the soup of the day?
Pumpkin and carrot soup. Pumpkin and carrot soup.
I would like a takeout, please. I would like a takeout, please.
Here you go. Here you go.
Can I get the check, please? Can I get the check, please?
Here you go. Here you go.
Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
The food was delicious. Thank you. The food was delicious. Thank you.
I'm glad that you like our food, sir. I'm glad that you like our food, sir.